Welcome to the simulation environment. So now you learned about the physical property environment, how to set it up, and now comes the simulation part, the flow sheet, unit operations, forms, and so on. In my opinion, it's one of the most interesting parts because we are going to spend the most time there. So it's very important to learn the basics on the software. So what are we going to see here? Well, first things first, the unit operations, or so-called blocks in Aspen HYSYS, are the core of this course. We need to learn unit operations in order to be able to simulate them. And for that, you need to know what are the typical inputs or requirements of those models. So let's see about, let's say, how to model a heater, how to model a distillation column, and so on. In my opinion, as an engineer, the most important part is connecting what you know that can be simulated in Aspen HYSYS and what do you know in real life the process about. So as a process engineer or simulation engineer, you need to connect those. So what do you do in order to be able to model them in the simulation environment so you get the results? So that's the actual part, or the difficult part, not simulation. Simulation is easy if you have the data, and the real life is easy if you have the process specifications. But if you want to connect, let's say, the digital world with the real life world, that's the difficult part. That's the decision of the engineer, what type of block we're going to be using. Okay, so I know we are not going to be using that many units operations, but definitely you're going to get the most common ones, the basic ones, and once that you keep going through all other courses, you will start getting to know more unit operations. Okay, guys? So once again, welcome to the simulation environment, and I will see you in the next lecture.